Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the core prerequisites: discrete math, programming, and basic systems. Start coding small daily projects to reinforce concepts. This is the first actionable step. Once done, set up a lightweight dev environment, Linux or WSL, Git, and a single editor, and clone a starter repo. You do this so concepts stay practical, not just theoretical. Make sure to schedule short, focus study blocks, and track progress with version control to build both skill and habit. Now move into the complex middle. Implement core data structures and algorithms by hand to understand trade-offs. Pair that with systems knowledge, processes, threads, sockets, so you see how code maps to hardware. Once you finish small implementations, integrate them into a single project, a simple web service or simulator. Make sure to write tests and measure performance. Profiling forces you to learn bottlenecks. This combined practice teaches both why choices matter and how to execute them in real systems. To complete the task, package and deploy your project. Create containers, add a CI job, and push to a minimal cloud service so you understand lifecycle. Then profile and optimize hot paths, refactor for clarity, and document design choices so future you, or others, can maintain it. If something goes wrong, use logs and step debugging to isolate the issue. Revert to a known good commit if needed. One key tip: reproduce the bug reliably before changing code, so fixes are targeted and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.